Pero walang iba naman kung sino bibigyan natin ng best player of the game. Kasama ni Francine Capili, the one and only, scoring 15 points in that fourth quarter, Gio Diamante. Go ahead, Franz.
I'm joined by Sinag, best player of the game from Opalit. I love it, George Diamante, with 25 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals, and 1 block. First of all, congratulations. Kahit close ang game noong first quarters, malaki pa rin ang naging contribution mo with 15 points on the fourth quarter. Nakapagpakuha ito ng panalo sa inyo. Paano mo ito nagawa at ano ang naging inspiration mo?
Sobrang taas ng energy ng mga kasama ko. Kaya yun, nadala ko yung magandang performance ko ngayon.
Baka meron ka mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan.
Yung mga tropa ko, at saka mga teammates ko, at saka sa buong Apalit, at saka kay Mayor John, at saka sa pamilya ko, at saka Boss Primo, at saka sa girlfriend ko.
Again, George Diamante, our Sinag best player of the game. Now back to you, Alvin and Coach Paul.
Thank you very much, Francina. Again, our player of the game, Gio Diamante.